Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I am doing my July Boxycharm. Oh my gosh, I feel like I just opened June's Boxycharm and then what showed up on my door, July's, and I was like, what? I didn't even post my June tutorial to Instagram yet and I already had this one. So again, it just reminds me like, what the heck, how fast time is going, and I'm like, no, please slow down because I don't want summer to go fast. It's my favorite time and my favorite season. So with that being said, I'm excited to see what's inside. I am so impressed with Boxycharm. Every time I get it, I am like blown away by everything they put inside this box. Last month was my favorite. I'm still using the products that I got in last month's box. It was so good, and I love all the products that they gave. Like, definitely was my favorite box. Everything was usable. I have been using each item. So I'm excited to see what's in July, and hopefully it is just as good as what was in the June box. So let's get on into it. If you guys want to find out what is in my July 2019 Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. And if you want to find out what box number variation I got, I will share that with you guys as well. Please subscribe to my channel. It is going to be the first link down below, and also tap the notification bell. It's going to be next to the subscribe button. Yeah. I don't know why I lost my train of thought there. Subscribe, tap the notification bell, and let's get on into the unboxing. And I just have been putting my hand inside and pulling out products because I just think it's more fun that way. I just like when it's a surprise. I think it's a lot more fun. So okay, I don't know what this is. Is this Luxie? That totally threw me off because this did not look like Luxie packaging, but it is. It's Luxie Gaia brushes, and I like this little craft container that the brushes came in. It says it is supposed to be, I guess, a recyclable, is that what you say it? Recyclable packaging, and you get 3 brushes in here. I really enjoy Luxie brushes. I always use their blush brush. It's a really pretty like flower detail on the bottom. I just lightened up my screen because I thought it looked a little bit dark. These feel nice already. I didn't even get them out of packaging. Okay, so these are the 3 brushes. You get a foundation brush, like a flat one. I don't often use these, but I will use this one because I want to see how it is. And then this is the large eye blending brush, 250. Love the handles. They are like this pretty marbleized wood kind of material, or has a really nice look to them. I just like it. It's very like interesting. Like, it has a nice texture to it. So that's the large blending brush. This is something I definitely can see myself getting use out of. It's nice for just like a all over crease blending, or you can use it for the outer corner. Probably I would use this for the crease. And then the third brush is, this is the kind of brush I always like. It's a little precision, it's called precision crease, but I would not use this in the crease. It does not have a crease brush shape. To me, I think this is good for inner corner detailing, like if you're blending out a cream product, or cutting the crease. But mainly for me, I would probably use this for like inner tear duct work, or like the first 3/4 of the lid. And it's just this little tiny guy. Part of the reason my brush collection is so big is because getting brushes in these subscription boxes, that's like a huge way to grow your brush collection. Okay, what else do we have? Look, that's the paper. I'm gonna put that over there. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. It is Appeal, and it is a forest green gel eyeliner. This, I don't know, I've never heard of this before. This looks like an old school brand, like old school packaging, something you would find at like a beauty supply store or something like that. I'll show you guys a close-up so you know what I'm talking about. Like remind you of something like old school. I'll do a close pop-in of the shades so you guys can see what it looks like, because if I put my arm close up to the camera, it's not going to show up really well at all. My lights are going to wash it out. But it's a very pretty green color. It doesn't really have a shimmer to it. It's more just like a matte green. Definitely something I would try and use in my waterline. I don't really use pencils on my lid because I just find them to be too smudgy. It's not my thing. I only use gel and liquid on my lids. Definitely something fun to play around with if you like colored liners, or if you like playing with colored liners in your waterline. It feels really creamy, like when I just did a swatch on my wrist. Yeah, it's really creamy and nice. So This is really cool. I'm excited to try this brand Appeal. This is in here. Am I missing something? I feel like I might be. Ooh, one of my favorite skincare brands. This is Elemis. I love their products. I love their cleanser. Their Marine Collagen Cleansing Balm is really, really good. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And it says it has avocado, broccoli seed oils, vitamin C, and passion fruit acids to help brighten the skin and the complexion. So you can apply this twice weekly to cleanse skin. I'm always looking for gentle masks. My skin has been just like super sensitive. I can't really wear like clay masks, African clay masks, anything like that. My skin just turns bright red. So I feel like this sounds really gentle. Of course, I don't know until I try it out, but definitely gonna test this out one night for like a little spa night in. I have not been let down yet by Elemis products, so I have a feeling this is gonna be really good. I love their Superfood line. Oh, there is another thing in here. I thought I was short a product. What is this? Oh, this is fun. I've been wanting to try this brand. So this is Alamar, I can't say that good, Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Las Des Nude. Did I say that right? This is Coqueta. It looks like a liquid lip. Maybe I'm gonna have to read the pamphlet. But it looks like a brown nude kind of shade. Does it smell sweet? Why can't I pick up a scent? Doesn't really smell like anything from what I can tell. I think it's a gloss. Definitely thinking it's a gloss. But I have heard their eyeshadow palettes are really good. I did not know this brand had lippies. And I think Kathleen Light's friend has this brand or owns this brand, which is really cool. So yeah, very excited to test out my first product from Alamar Cosmetics. Okay, I think this is the last product and it feels like a palette of some sort. Butter London. All right. Love the packaging. It looks like faux wood and then there's little flowers on it. Okay, this is really pretty. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And I know a lot of people have been making fun of eyeshadow palettes recently because it's like neutrals and then the pop of blue is like the thing lately in makeup. So this definitely follows that trend. I definitely want to try this out. The shades look really pretty. I will put in some swatches so you guys can see what they look like on my arm close up. Packaging, it's really, really cute. I don't think I've ever tried any eyeshadows before from Butter London, so this will be a first for me. So I'm excited to test out their brand, really. I don't think I have anything from Butter London that I can think of. Let me know if there's any products from that you guys like, but this looks really pretty. Let me do some swatches really quick so I can just get a feel for what the shadows feel like. The impression from my arm swatches over here is that they don't seem very pigmented. I mean, maybe because it's called Natural Goddess, that's why. The blue kind of swatches disappointing. And the matte brown kind of swatches disappointing. So first impression just from finger swatches is that it's okay. I mean, they don't seem like anything that great, but of course it's different on my eyes, on your eyes, so I'm gonna have to test it out and then I will have my final thoughts and everything. But that is everything I got in this month's Boxycharm. Let's look at the pamphlet. I kind of just threw it aside because I didn't want to see what was inside. So the Elemis mask is $35 retail. The Butter London Goddess eyeshadow palette is $32 retail. The Luxie 3-piece brush set is $30 retail, so $10 a brush. The Alamar Cosmetics Des Nudas lip gloss. It says it has high shine, full pigmentation, talc-free, vegan, gluten, and cruelty-free. That is $15. And Appeal Gel Liner is $21. So total retail value is $133. Boxycharm is $21 a month, so that's a really great value again from Boxycharm. And I totally forgot to do my little Boxycharm explanation in the beginning of my video. So you get 5 full-size products for $21 a month. I believe you can stop your box at any time if you want to, but I have always loved everything that I've got in the box. Like, it is probably the best beauty subscription box around. So that's why I love it so much. And I do have an affiliate link in my description box if you guys want to check it out and sign up for yourself. I will put that down below. But I think that's really good. And if you want to know my box, I got number 1 is my box variation. In comparison from last month to this month, I will say I liked last month's box better, but I knew that one was going to be hard to top because there was a lot of great brands, a lot of products that I loved. I still think this month's box is really, really good, and they have a lot of good stuff here too and brands I'm excited to try, but last month I just like loved it so much. But again, it's still really good. Great value, a great way to test out products. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys got any of the same stuff as me in your box. If you got box 1, let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'm gonna link it down below. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.